Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna paint Easter eggs.
So Easter's coming up. Are you excited?
Yes.
And so our activity today is themed around Easter. We're going to be painting some watercolor Easter eggs. So Ansley and I both have watercolor paper here. We're using Strathmore watercolor cold press paper. It's not cotton paper, but that's okay. For today, we're just going to use the cheaper paper. And to transfer these eggs onto my paper, I used transfer paper. And what I did was I just placed it on top of my watercolor paper, and I took my image, which you can download in the description. That'll be available. And I just traced the eggs. And so I actually did both of ours for us. Another way you can get these eggs transferred to your paper is if you have an egg-shaped cookie cutter. That's something you can use. Another thing you can do would be to cut out one of your eggs on your piece of paper and create a stencil. So there are different ways to get your eggs drawn on. And so we're going to be playing with a bunch of different things. We pulled up some pictures on Pinterest, and we're just looking at all kinds of colors and styles. And the fun thing about this activity is that you can do it any way you want.
Yeah.
You can paint your eggs any way you want.
Like squiggles, rainbow, and heart shapes.
Exactly. So many ideas. And so we have a couple of tools with us. We have a resist crayon, which you can use a white Crayola crayon too. That'll work fine. And when you color that on your eggs, the paint won't cover it. So you can leave designs. We each have a paintbrush. Ansley has a gold pen. We can use that at the very end. And let's see what else. I have a set of watercolors here. And then we also have, Ansley wanted to use these today, brush pens. And these are made with watercolor paint as well. And so you can brush on color.
Yep.
And then also use water to spread the color around if you want to. Or you can just color with them like the regular markers too. So either way, we've got a lot of different tools here. We have water if we need it.
Yep.
And are you ready to start?
Yes.
So let's just get creative here. Okay. I'm going to start with, I'm going to make a yellow egg first.
Well, I'm gonna make a rainbow.
A rainbow? How did I know rainbow is going to be first?
Yeah, because I love rainbows.
But that's the beauty of this activity. You can paint your eggs any way you want.
I love rainbow so much.
Well, if you can't pick what color you like best, rainbow is the way to go.
Yep. It's amazing as rainbow because I love rainbow so much.
It's pretty fun. So you're going to use the brush pens for your rainbow?
Yep.
All right, perfect. I think I'm going to do a pink one next.
Like this violet fish one is looking so pretty.
Ooh, that's a perfect pink.
After rainbow, I'm going to totally use that.
Okay.
This egg is going to say 1 on it.
A 1? That's interesting. Kind of looks like a football almost.
Yeah. next one is going to be zebra stripes.
Ooh, that'll be fun.
Mine are looking great.
They sure are. When you do something like polka dots, like this one that I'm doing right now, it's a good idea to paint the dots first, especially if they're a lighter color, and then paint around the dots with another color after the yellow has dried. If you were to try to paint around the dots while the yellow's still wet, it'll all blend together and it won't look good. So I'm just going to do the dots and then I'll come back at it and finish it after the yellow is dry.
Yep, like a blow dryer could really dry it down.
Yeah, that might help too. Oh, well, look at that. That looks so cool, the resist crayon. Nice job. I'm gonna paint little pink flowers on this one. I think that's dry enough. I can paint around my yellow dots now. I think I'm going to do orange. How are those markers working for you?
Good.
And once these are dry, you can use a gold pen, or I have a white pen. You could also do white designs on it too.
Oh yeah.
So for example, this blue egg is dry now, so I'll show you what you can do with the white pen. You can go over it with white
Or clouds.
to make a design. Are you done already?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Do I need to give you some of my eggs to do? Or I think you need to put some designs on those.
Yep.
Maybe with your gold pen?
I think my gold pen would make a good XOXO design on the rainbow. And I guess it's dry. Purple green egg says love.
I see. I like how you've got stripes in that one. Just do gold on this stripe. Okay, well, I don't think I'm going to finish mine right now, but we'll stop there. So the next step is to cut them out. You ready for that?
And adding stickers.
All right, our next step is to cut out our eggs. You think you can do it?
Yes.
Okay, it would help, I think, to start by cutting them into strips first.
Yep. So it's not so hard.
Yeah, so I'm just going to cut a strip of 3 or 4.
My strip is going to be cutting out as 2.
And then you got to be real careful. And then do your best to cut all just along your pencil line.
Yep, not try making a pointy shape.
Yes, because eggs are very round, aren't they? There's one. Those are so cute. Maybe we can send these to Nana for Easter. Wow, those look so pretty. So we've cut out all of the eggs, and the last fun thing we can do now
is add stickers.
Add stickers. So we've just got a couple of little glistening, glimmery gemstone stickers. There's some of these that are in a pattern shape.
Yeah.
And then we've got a couple of really special ones that are just these big flowers. We may or may not use those. So what do you want to start with?
I'll start with this big flower.
Okay. So this project is guaranteed to give you hours of fun, or give your child hours of fun just making as many eggs as they want. And while they might need your help cutting out the eggs initially, I think it's just such a great activity for Easter time.
Yep.
So let them paint it however they want, and you can have loads of fun. What do you think? All right, let's show everybody. Let's put them all together.
Thanks for watching.